excited. It has been a hot minute since I have done an unboxing. I do have one more Stitch Fix somewhere. I haven't gotten it off of my cloud and put it out, but I am taking a break from it, which I was gonna talk more about, but then I decided not to talk about it, so we're gonna skip it. However, I did get a year of FabFitFun because I thought, you know what, I was so happy with the trial box, I went with the full thing. Gotta do it. So I have a year of that, and I have the Cause box, which I'm so excited to try. I fell in love with last winter's box and I wanted it so badly, but unfortunately, that $50 just, it never showed up in the budget to be a thing. So there was a great sale. I jumped on it, and now we have it soon. So first of all, FabFitFun. Of course, it comes with an actual proper magazine instead of just a little card. So some things are going to be about the actual products inside, and some things are just going to be fun editorials. All right. The bite coupon. Not going to worry about that. The Hello Fresh. I've been thinking about giving this another go. Need to clean my kitchen beforehand, but it did come with another coupon. I feel like it does every month. And now I did choose what's in here and I forgot, so I get to be surprised, you get to be surprised. And I believe, yeah, these ones, it always looks like there's more in them than there is, but it's usually really good stuff. So, oh yes, I did choose this one, the silicone straws. I love reusable straws, and I have for quite some time. It's always irked me, the whole plastic thing, but also, I feel like I like them more, and also, my daughter likes using them as chew tubes, which I always need more of. So these ones also come with a thingy, a portable carrying case. Ooh, it says clip it onto your keys. I don't know about that. I might just stick them in my lunchbox, but this is cute. It reminds me of a little pill though, so I don't know if I would actually carry it around and be like, hello children, this is my giant pill. I don't know about that, but it is kind of cute and fun, so maybe not as an everyday sort of thing. Throw the box aside. But these are the colors I got. It is the Full Bloom collection. It does come with the proper brush cleaner, which is so nice. And they are a really nice size. They're not jumbo, but they are bigger than average. Nice. We'll wash them properly if we're actually using them properly, because they're yucky. They do have a seam on them, so we'll give that a try and see if that ends up giving us issues with wear or texture. Ugh. Oh, now I've got a weird taste in my mouth. Don't do that. Oh, yeah, this was a strange one that I had to choose. I felt like I had to. It is a little red light therapy device. And it's small, it's a hand. So it can be a handheld. And it says it focuses on wrinkles. And I know I don't have a whole ton, but I've been noticing as my age is slowly crawling up that here in my forehead, they're getting deeper each time. So when I do a nice chemical peel, which I try to only do every other week, just one time, it does look a lot better. But I'd like to actually maybe heal some of that. But I also heard that they can do differences with skin texture and color and who knows what. So I'm gonna give it a go and just be well, it won't make that sound. It'll just be a red light. So yeah, I'm interested. Gonna stimulate cellular repair and increase circulation, more vibrant, youthful complexion. And I don't remember what area I was specifically thinking about it. I think it was on some of my stretch marks. I really wanted to see that because I've heard about it doing really great things. And as some of y'all have known and seen from my body type, I do have Cushing's. I have big, painful scar tissue. Um, because, yeah, I mean, I gained like 70 pounds in my first not even 3 months. So I gained a lot, and the scars themselves, the stretch marks themselves, they are deep. And I heard that really good things, so I'm gonna give it a go. Next, Perlice, Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. Interesting. Watermelon, energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Ooh, it's a skin peel. I'm excited to try it. I try not to use a ton of them because I don't want to like damage my skin or like give a burn or something. But I'm excited to give it a go. So I think I will try it out actually rather than my normal one. What's this? Oh, it's so tiny. This was all the vitamin C. It mixes right in. I used to use a vitamin C cream, especially like in the under eye area. And I loved what it did for my skin. Hate what it does if it actually gets in your eyeballs. But it does firm up your skin. If you use it a lot, it's supposed to do it, it's supposed to heal long term. But it also gives you a really good, like, perk up temporarily as well. So like long term, it stimulates collagen. It's actually one of the building blocks that kind of moves it along. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I also like the temporary kink. I put it underneath my eyes, especially when I get like hollows. I'm like, maybe I should sleep more than 4 hours a night. Maybe not. Who's to say? Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Interesting. Is it like relaxing? Use nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Ooh. It is a hand and body cream. It's supposed to be relaxing. Do you smell relaxing? I don't know. I think I smell like legitimate lavender. Is that it? That's not nice. What is that? Yep, all right. Vetiver is good. Chamomile is good. Oh, there is something in it. Just, it's not nice. That's not like soothing and calming. It has like some nice elements. You can taste it. You can taste the amount of fragrance in it. Oh, I don't like it. Then I got the Murad Collagen Infusion. You see, I kind of did like combine a lot of these together as a theme. I think at the time I was, if I remember correctly, as I'm flashing back to this, I was really stuck on some of my stretchy marks because some of them, they get quite painful sometimes. So, where'd I put that? I want to try the Murad version because it's a good brand. It tends to work really well. I know their acne collection is really rather nice. I recommend that. Just from what I've seen, I don't personally use it because I feel like it works really well for like that deeper, harder, like cystic acne. But I've recommended it to siblings and they have done amazing. I love it. So use AM and PM, fast acting treatment with a topical filler like effect. Ooh, I like it. I don't think I'll use it in the night and make it last. All right. Ooh, that's right. I chose a mystery item because I was kind of so on one of the options. So it's a true surprise. And it is the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Epic C Serum Power Trio Complex to tighten, brighten, and revitalize. With lemon. Ooh. Well, looks like I got more vitamin C. I am going to be so shiny and perky. And this was a bit of an odd one. And when I picked it out, I was like, this is absolutely ridiculous. What am I doing with these little Stone Cold boxes? They were beautiful towels. Are they going to stay beautiful? No. No, they are not. But, you know, I saw them. I like the little hooky on them. And I was like, how nice is that? Like, they are such a wonderfully, like, soft linen. It's going to be an honor destroying them. Ooh, they're so cool. How does it do that? Ah, I love it. So they are beautiful. They have just a really nice natural texture. And I want to destroy them with my baking. I look forward to the destruction of their life. But doesn't it just make you like, you just look at it and be like, yes, I'm going to make some bread tonight. That's all I want to do is like punch out a loaf of bread when I've rested slightly because I'm exhausted. I'm about to fall asleep right here. But yeah, I want to make some bread. I want to cover them up and tuck them in and keep little buns warm, and I love it. And that's it. We've got worms. We've got stop. And that's all she wrote. All in all, I'm pretty darn pleased. I got a lot of skincare. I went real skincare heavy, so I'm hoping that summertime we get some more options for maybe an accessory type, maybe some tech accessories. I'm all super excited. I just got my first iPad. I know I'm behind the times. I didn't even open it yet. I was like, I just got the tech grant for it, so I'm super excited to try it out. And yeah, maybe we'll get some cool accessories or something like that. Um, yeah, I wish that there was more fit things. I feel like when it started way back in the day, because I know I had one of the early boxes when I first started, but it's been a couple of years. There was so much like extra fitnessy stuff. There were stretch bands. I want to say the first one was like stretch bands and a jump rope and shoelaces and a water bottle with like a cool filter in it. It was so neat. I wish that there was more fitness and maybe some more fun. Like the baking kind of goes under fun. Got my little straws, my little pill bottle straw holder. I don't know, but it turned out very skincare. But that being said, I am pleased. I don't know the cost basis of like the Pearlies even. I should probably just look some of these things up because I'm like, I don't know. I'll pay that for that if it works well. I'm excited. I'm excited for a new skin peel, really. And I'm hoping that I have beautiful, bright skin next time I see you. Okay? Okay. I really have nothing left. I just missed y'all. Okay? I love you. Bye.